How to use fishing rod when riding a boat on mcpe version 11.0, alphabet 8 or any alphabet. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna use this word. Waiting for loading. I think I got the bag because already writing a boat. Okay, let's get started. First, I need a boat running. I'm writing a boat. Fishing rod. Okay, first I'm gonna ride first and use this when riding a boat. You can see here a fishing. You can see here fishing. You will hold. You will hold. You will hold over here and look. It's work and back. Hold and back. Hold and back. That's how you use fishing rod when riding a boat on MCB. Okay, let's do it again. And, oh, look, you can see. And so, thanks for watching that. Please subscribe because this is my first video to upload.